Ladies and gents, all too often there is unnecessary conflict. Relationships end for a myriad of reasons. You can sit in a bucket of excrement for the rest of your life if you so choose, saying what the other person did or didn't do, should have done, could have done, would have done, while you are not taking any responsibility and or accountability for your life. However, if you want to get on and move on with your life and start functioning as a normal human being and doing what's right, guys, in the relationship, go and do from a legal point of view what, if you do it correctly, it is merely a logistical event. Okay, you already have, or you should have had, a prenuptial agreement. If you didn't have a marriage, or however that was constituted, whether it's culturally, traditionally, religiously, or just civilly, the bottom line is that you should have had some form of prenuptial agreement put together, and I have addressed contracts for marriages and people out of marriage that are merely cohabitating or living together. The bottom line is, if your relationship has come to an end, get out of the relationship, guys. Going to war and I'm going to destroy him and I'm going to screw her over works for nobody except for the lawyers and the advocates and the psychologists. Okay, so if your relationship has come to an end, do the logistical thing. There is legal logistics that if you behave like a mature adult with one another, you can move on very quickly. Did daddy go out and cheat? Probably. Did mommy have extramarital affairs with the pool guy? Who knows? Okay, but your relationship has ended. Okay, and let's understand one thing, guys. By the time cheating takes place, the relationship was over a very, very, very long time before that. Okay, cheating is never because you're in a loving relationship. Cheating is because your relationship ended, and it ended a long time ago. All right. So all I can say to you is get out of your relationship. If everybody plays nicely with one another, you can either come and do mediation through us as Fathers for Justice, and I can discuss those costs directly with you during the consultation. Or if your relationship cannot be mediated, which it should be, the litigation department is there to do it. If everybody plays nicely, we play nicely as well. Okay? It doesn't have to be a war. It doesn't have to be dragged out 5, 6, 8 years at a cost of anything between 1 and 5 million rand on average, people. Okay? For both sides to walk away same as or worse off than when they started. So please, the relationship is ended, guys. End the relationship. Do the logistics, handle the logistics as effectively and as efficiently and as quickly as possible. Okay, if you do your own divorce, okay, it'll cost you somewhere between 300 and 500 plus minus rand if you go and do an uncontested divorce between yourselves, guys. That is a vast difference between 300, 600 rand if you do an uncontested divorce yourselves, which we can guide you through as a couple. Okay, in inverted brackets. All right? Or go and flush 1 million, 5 million rand down the drain, wasting your time, effort, and getting nowhere, losing everything through the divorce. Doesn't need to be that way. Please like, share, and subscribe. All the contact details. If you want to set up consultations, the details in the message below. If your matter is an urgent matter, so the cops are on their way to arrest you, or you've got a court hearing within the next 3 weeks, there's an additional charge. If you want us to help with your uncontested divorce, we can take you through that. There's obviously a handling fee for that as well. But can we do this for you? Yes, we can. The objective is to get the family out of the justice. Well, no, to be true, the objective is to keep the family out of the justice system and just handle the logistics and get it everybody out and on their way and happy. Love to you all. Take it easy.